My picture is stripping, bro.
Whether he's excellent, gaburi kuganira ibiki.
Yarambwiye ngo bro, I like you a record one. But I'm fana, bro. He's following me on TikTok and Instagram.
Really?
Yeah, for real, bro. Umubyinnyi ugeze ubona hariya sibye njyewe. That is the first time I meet him,
bro.
On wedding, bro.
Hari abantu babyuka bakagira ngo umuntu ngo ajejo bundi ngo kubyuka mu gitondo ugasuhuza perezida. Ibyo si byo bintu biba byoroshye.
Egura abo kugira ngo bagwe invitation musangire, bro. Do you feel that shit, bro?
You are hot, my lord?
Yeah, my
Where is your girlfriend? Is that shit?
Bro, don't say that shit, bro.
Oh damn! I got you what I'm saying.
Got me, bro.
Oh yeah, your photo. Abantu batajya bemera abandi gukora mu biganza by'umukuru w'igihugu. Asa babazi umukuru w'igihugu icyari cyo.
My picture is stripping, bro. Dore photo naho abandi barabeshya, sibyo? Yeah, that's why, bro. That's why.
Abandi bafashe amavideo. Abandi bafashe amavideo fata mu kavuyo ariko weho narabaze bwambaranye iminota 7 bufatanye abantu bafata amafoto.
Abantu bose bafashe amafoto.
Ubundi baravuga ngo nta foto nta cyabaye. Bwigeze bwumva bavuga ngo nta video nta cyabaye. Ese General Benda wabwirira minota 7 whether he's excellent gaburi kuganira ibiki.
Yarambwiye ngo bro, I like you a record one. Yarambwiye ngo I'm fana, bro. He's following me on TikTok and Instagram.
Really?
Yeah, for real, bro.
Oh
I can pay with you, bro.
Dang.
He's my fan, bro. He's my fan,
bro.
Yeah,
I can't believe you are the only one. Dance guzagera ngo na dance guzagera imbere ya his excellent ngo lachi abo bavuga ngo we
hari umubyinnyi ugeze ubona hariya sibye njyewe.
Na reka yahigutsa gatwe si bro. Uzabareke batanga ibihembo kwa kuri batangaga award ngo bayihaye runaka ntihagira umuntu muzongera guhatanira award. But bro, ibyo wakoze nibyo ngibyo, ibyo guhatana n'abandi ngo za award. But uzababwira ati mutwanda fuck shit bazayiguhe babona ko wakoze ibyo guhatana.
Ntabwo nakongera kunywa izindi nzoga mundi munsi
umubiri ugomba kuruhutsa.
Bro, I'm drinking juice, bro. Do you know juice, bro? Inyange juice. Yeah.
Hano hari umuntu bita Semuhungu ni umuntu bwiza twahuriye Uganda, bro. No umuntu caringa byada Eric. Shout out kuri Eric Madu sibwa nabonye bwarahuye kwa Kasi Madu.
Yeah. That was the first time I met him, bro. That is the first time I met him,
bro.
On wedding, bro. Abantu bamwe bambonanye nawe namupostinze mufashe ku kuboko and I was like, damn, bro, what are you doing, bro? I see, bro.
Semuhungu Eric ni umuntu bwiza wa daje, bro.
Umutrangwa Hennessy na Daniel, bro.
Oya Eric afite amafaranga ariko twa turi kuri tebi hagaze miliyoni zingahe arayafite benshi cyane.
And I was like,
niwe muntu wa mbere mu Rwanda wambara inkweto ya OG Louis $1,500, you know.
Man, you know, bro. Semuhungu, respect, bro.
Ari hano kuri live, man, ngenda arwaye ama grippe abaji.
Ubundi umuntu iyo narwaye grippe ngiye mfata shots ya tequila ubundi bigahita birangira kabisa delay.
Urabizi ko ngera nzoga ngo kabisa nyewe.
Wonye nubayo mwisi yawe ariko don't drink.
Kuva naravuka sindago nzoga mu buzima bwanjye kabisa.
Beer is not a good, bro.
Gusa abantu bavuga ngo abantu basinze banaga inzoga zizo zitanga vibes. General Benda yishima kubera kariho nago yishima kubera inzoga yawe.
Abantu bazi ngo ubu DJ nibwo butangiye run.
Reka General Benda duwatera, bro.
Naritegeraga naje kuvumba, bro.
Uziko General Benda ariko cyabado rihiringa bro nicyo kintu gukundira kabisa icyo gihe ndi kwibukana natanze competition ya challenge yo kubyina ngo ndatanga amafaranga
Benda yatsindira I remember that.
I remember ikintu gukundira mani we uruburu mani wihirinze bw'ibi bintu wajya kureba ati nihe byabereye ukavuga ati ndateze ndijyanye ntabwo bro reka usarure mani ibyo wabize mani two twagendaga tugiye mu kazi ukaza waho witegeye bro uje kureba ati what
nje kuvuga ati what's going on here bro
reka usarure ibyo wabibye kabisa invitation kugira abayigwere hano ngo sumuntu ng'abandi uzi ko mwasaze perezida ariko urya
Nirani yagiye muri vacation bro. Now I'm saying I'm home alone.
Yaragiye.
Yeah.
You are home alone?
Yeah, my
Where
son.
is your girlfriend? Is that she?
Bro, don't say that shit, bro.
Oh damn! I got you all I'm saying.
Got me, bro. You got me, man.
Yeah, I got you all saying. Yeah, I got you. Yeah. Oh, I'm there. You know, I'm the legend. Yeah, you know.
Yeah. That's how, man. My son is on the vacation. I'm sleeping alone there, and now this day, oh, it's not easy. Yeah, bro. Have you seen this shit, bro? Have you seen this shit?
Oh, it's a the urge, dude.
Yeah, expensive
bro.
bro. This is for $500.
Ibi bintu uba waranyizemo uri n'umubyinnyi uzi n'icyangwe ibaza umubyinnyi wambara kujya kubyina gusa ukagenda wambaye ibihumbi 400.
Bro,
ugiye kubyina gusa.
I can't believe that shit, man. God is greatest, bro.
I can't believe it too, nigga. I can't believe. Oh my God.
Ana rumuntu shavuza amagambo atari meza, bro.
Avuze muki?
What a kind English is that, man? Bro, why are you doing that, bro?
Hold on.
Tuzakora na challenge, bro. Tuzakora na challenge. Mubanze mubyino challenge ya the Bruce Melody. Mukore subscribe on him Instagram, on him YouTube. Mukore mujoining a challenge. Abantu ba mbere tuzabahemba, bro. I'm saying.
Uzi ibintu bimbayeho. Nagiye kuri live ndi gutrading nibagiye gushiramo stop loss bari mu by'amadolari 800 ndageze.
Man, wazanyigishije gusikama mani ubona tuzahumya tugaceza gutyo gusa.
Uzi ko mu bye 800
Yego
nagoswe gushiramo stop loss.
Uzatwigishe mani gusikana mani niba ari ugusikama simbizi.
Nahiye ndageze. Ako reka kapfugura indi tap ndebe ko ndagaruza. Ewe gabi.
Urayahombye se koko seriye man?
Byanyabye nibagiye gushiramo stop loss na hantu uvuga ngo niza guhomba nibize kurenga ahangaha ite nikura mu soko nyine mvemo. Nibagiye rero kwishira buragiye muri live itaciraho ita kwihuta itabyibagirwe rero itsanze byamanutse bigira mu madolari 800.
Bro, simile is not a big problem, bro.
Nabonye full set yose uyifite wamanuye ibyuma wamanuye iki uri mu badije bafite ibyuma byuzuye byabo
bro.
ibaze ko n'abatoxique batira toxique afite machine ariko na twotorora yiwe afite.
Wayibonye ko ndimo ndayizinga
niweho mu dije ufite ibyuma biri full.
Bro, I'm a piano. It's a biggie vibe, and let's stand no. Now I'm saying.
Yeah, I got you, nigga. I got you.
Mbanyishize mu kavalize kayo bla.
Berekeke, see that bro. See that cat.
Ubungubu ikintu cyambere kiba kibayeho ga practice abakarangiye.
Ubu ikintu cyambere ni practice.
Usamwikira mbe umu DJ wa mbere, bro. Now I'm saying.
Yeah, I got you, nigga. I got you, bro.
Yose biva mu bikorwa.
Ubu ndi ukora cyane Imana bandira ku blessing
irakublessinga bro. Ubu nanjye ngiye kuba mbizinzeho gatoya kugira ngo nze kubona ukuntu niryamira men.
nanjye dore mba ndi mu kazi.
Tuzoza tuganira ibintu bya danje.
Yeah, nigga, yeah, I got you, bro. I got you. Tuzakora ibintu bya danje, Lord.
Have you seen that shit, bro?
Yeah. General Benda. It's your logo.
Have you seen that shit, bro? This is so expensive.
Yeah, I know. It's the stand. It's the stand machines. Yeah.
It's expensive. Abantu batabizi ntabwo bahita babimenya gutyo delay.
Areka ntabwo waba ufite mashine ya miliyoni 3 ngo uyirambike kuri stand iciriritse.
Niyo mpamvu ndi kwisabira abantu
bayikora. Benda amafaranga wayakuyeyo yo kugura ibyuma bwa mashine yawe, controller yawe, stand, external. Man, ibintu byose bro ndabifite. Ariko kandi harandi mafaranga bakwibye ya controller watumye barayibye. Ndi bandiye man, ariko barabalala nabasenzi. Ariko nubundi nta kintu bazangira. Ntacyo nzaba. Ibyo bintu nanjye byambayeho natubiye umuntu muri Amerika ibyuma, ariko hashize umwaka n'igice ahita broke, kandi yari inshuti yanjye. Abantu mushaka kwiga trading muzaze batemo ku trading, ntabwo Benda nzabigisha kuri make. Uzabigishe gusikama man, bazabafunga ndagasa. Bazabafunga. Nagiye gukora ibintu by'ime. Ex wanjye bita Bora numva ndamukunda, arajya n'ikego ndi umusikama, narago ndi umusikama. Bora mwana wanjye ndamukunda, ndi kumwe na sogokuru. Kino Benda agiye kuryara, mbere yo kuryama Benda baza yanyara. Ndi kubabwira ko agiye kuryara, mbere yo kuryama urabanza ukanyara. Ari kwandurura mani biriya biboro. Arigiye rwana rwanjye rwabyuka ruza gasanga rurimo rurabikurubangana. Yego bakubika kuri. Adasi yagiye kwa mama we cyangwa yagiye kwa mama wawe? Yagiye kwa mama we man. Umuntu wa danje kabisa. Nanjye ndyame ndananiwe fo. Rije kabisa. Ubu rigarama kiramburi wenyine. Ngiye kuba niryamanye gake nibyo byiza.